Welcome to this full body mobility flow for beginners. We'll move slowly, explore simple movements, and help your body feel free and supported. Let's begin in a wide-legged child's pose. Knees wide apart, big toes together. Walk your hands forward. Melt your chest and forehead towards the mat. Take a big breath in here. Exhale, open your mouth, let it go. With your next breath in, ripple forward. Round your spine, shoulders over wrists. Lift your chest up, send your hips forward and down towards the mat. Exhale, pull your hips back. Two more times at your own pace. Really making the movement good. One last time. Back to the center. So slide your knees towards each other, crawl forward so that your hips over knees, shoulders over your hands. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Now extend your right leg to the back, tuck your toes, gently rocks back and forth. Feel the stretch in the sole of your feet, back of your ankle and calf. Now swing your right leg all the way to the opposite side. Look over your left shoulder. Stay here for one breath. Press into your right hand. Now untuck your back toes, bend the back knee. Send your hips towards your heel. Inhale, come forward. Extend the back leg. Press into the top of your back toes. As you exhale, drop the back knee down. Pull your hips back towards your heel. Now come forward as you inhale. Swing the leg all the way to the back and draw your right knee towards your chest. Step your right foot to the top of the mat. Anjaneyasana. Your right knee over right ankle. Again, come up on your fingertips. Gently press your hips forward. Lift your chest up. Take a breath in. Exhale. Extend the front leg. Half splits. Curl the toes towards you. Soften your front knee. One more time. Anjaneyasana. Inhale. Exhale for half splits. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. This time, tuck your back toes, pick up your back knee off the ground. Gently sway back and forth. Or maybe circling your hips. Just explore the moment. What makes you feel comfortable? Where are you feeling? Now, take as many steps as you need. Step your left foot to the outside of your left hand. Heel toe the right foot to the outside of your right hand. Malasana. Sink your hips as low as you can and gently rock side to side. Present your feet and toes, maybe without the support of your hands. Driving your knees towards the ground. One last time. Now, drop your feet flat on the ground. If your heels are lifted, no worries. Stay high on your heels. Left arm in front of your left shin. Right arm reaches up. Heel you just open. Look in any direction, either ahead of you or towards the ceiling. Stay in for one breath. Now, bend the top arm, elbow towards the mat. Exhale. One more time. Open. Inhale. Exhale to close. One last time. Open. Extend the right arm. Release right hand in front of your right shin. Left arm reaches up and over. Stay here for one breath. Stay active through the left leg. Now bend the left arm, elbow towards the mat. Exhale. One more time at your own pace. Now extend the left arm. Release to the ground. Now pick up your hips, fold over as you exhale. Soften your knees, relax your head. Inhale, half lift, hands can come to your thighs or shins, flat back. Now step your right foot back and left foot back. Once again, let us meet in tabletop position. Extend the left leg, gentle rocks back and forth. You knew it, right? One last time. Now swing your legs all the way to the opposite side. Look over your right shoulder. One breath here. Now untuck your back toes, bend the back knee. Pull your hips towards your heel. Inhale forward as you extend the back knee. As you exhale, drop the back knee, pull your hips back. As you inhale, come forward, swing your leg all the way to the back. Draw your left knee towards your chest. Step your left foot to the top of the mat, Anjaneyasana. Left knee over left ankle, sink your hips forward, lift your chest up, inhale. Exhale, half splits. Half lift. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. One last step, half splits. Keep calling the fingers towards you. One last time. Inhale, Anjaneyasana as you inhale. Pick up the back knee, maybe rocking back and forth or circling your hip in both the directions. Just explore the movement. Feel a huge stretch in the front right side of your hip. Get the left hand to the top right corner of the mat. Spin onto your back foot. Back foot is flat on the ground. Side lunge. Your left toes are pointing diagonally. Now crawl your hands to the other side. Side lunge on the right. Let's repeat this 2 more times. Keeping your chest lifted and send your hips back. One last time. Slow and control movements. This time extend the right leg. Crawl your hands to the center. Option to lessen the distance between your feet. Soften your knees, relax your hips. Stay here for one breath. Inhale, half lift now. Heel toe together. Find a kneeling position at the center of the mat. Stay high. Hands come to your waist. Take a breath in as you push your hips forward. Lift your chest up. Look up. Gentle tuck your chin. Keep pulling the elbows together. Exhale, gently release your hips towards the heels. One more time. Lift up. Inhale. Open your chest. Push your hips forward. Look up. Draw your elbows together. Exhale slowly back to the center. Release your hips to your heels. Option to stay here in Vajrasana. Hands come to your thighs, or you can find any easy cross-legged variation. Close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath into your belly. Open your mouth and let go. Guide your hands at your heart, bowing forward. Thank yourself for showing up today exactly as you are. That was today's practice. If it helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment below how it felt for you. Take care and see you in the next practice.